Hi grade 6, how are you? Today inshallah our lesson will be grammar. Okay? This grammatical rule which we will study today, we studied it many times. Our grammar today will be about reported speech. Reported speech. So now you can open your class book page 100. Open your class book page 100. Okay? Exercise number 1. Listen and read. How is Oscar Brown going to travel around the world? Okay? After listening to this short text, we will answer this question. Listen and read. We will listen, then we will read. How is Oscar Brown going to travel around the world? Okay? Listen from me. 2 years bike ride around the world. Oscar Brown is going on a trip around the world. He told us he was really looking forward to the trip. He said he had cycled around Africa last year. He said he had loved his time in Africa, but he wanted to travel to more places. He told us he was planning to travel around Europe, North and South America, Asia, and Australia. He said he had had lessons in French, Spanish, and Arabic. He said the trip would take about 2 years. What a fantastic journey it will be. Good luck, Oscar Brown. I will read it again. Now listen, then answer this question. Okay, listen to me carefully. Two years bike ride around the world. Oscar Brown is going on a trip around the world. He told us he was really looking forward to the trip. He said he had cycled around Africa last year. He said he had loved his time in Africa, but he wanted to travel to more places. He told us he was planning to travel around Europe, North and South America, Asia, and Australia. He said he had had lessons in French, Spanish, and Arabic. He said the trip would take about 2 years. What a fantastic journey it will be. Good luck, Oscar Brown. So, return back to our first question. How is Oscar Brown going to travel around the world? Who tell me? He used what? How is Oscar Brown going to travel around the world? Very excellent. He will use his bike. He will he is going to make a trip around the world using his bike. Okay? Now let's go to exercise number 2, which will be grammar. If you look at the reading text again, we will notice that he uses he told many times. He said, he told, okay, many times in the sentence. This we call it reported speech. Reported speech. We have two kinds of speech: reported speech and direct speech. If the teacher is speaking to the students directly, this we call it direct speech. But if another person say what the teacher said, this we call it reported or indirect speech. Very good. Okay, so the speech from the speaker to the listener directly, direct speech. If the speaker or the speech transformed through third person, we call it reported speech. Okay, look at these sentences. Exercise number 2, read and learn. Reported speech statements. Statements means the sentences which give us information. Sentence which give us information, we call it statement. We have another kind of sentence, the interrogative or the question. Also we have the imperative. So we have three kind of sentence. Three kind for the sentences: statement, imperative, and interrogative or the question. Okay, now we will study the statements. Use reported speech to report what someone else said. In reported speech we change the tense from present to past. From present to past. If you have in the sentence in the direct speech present simple, we will change it to past simple. If we have present continuous, we will change it to past continuous. Okay, if we have for example future modal verb will or can plus infinitive, it will be changed to would or could plus verb in infinitive. Okay, if we have past simple, it will be changed to past perfect. Very good. Look at these examples. I wanted to visit all the countries in the world, he said. This the sentence which Oscar Brown said. Now he changed it to indirect or reported. He said he wanted to visit all the countries in the world. Look at the subject. What is the subject of the sentence? I. It will be he, because we are speaking about Oscar Brown. This is a man. Okay, so we use the pronoun he instead of him. Look at the verb want to. What kind of tense or what tense? Present or past? Very excellent. Present. It will be changed to past here. What tense? Present simple. Present simple. It will be past simple. Present simple, past simple. Okay, so it will be changed to wanted to visit all the countries in the world. Keep as it. Okay, next. I am looking forward to the trip, he said. I am looking forward to the trip. Also Oscar Brown is speaking. What is the subject here? I. It will be he. What is the verb? I am or am looking forward. Am looking. What kind of tense? Excellent. Present continuous. Present continuous. ing means continuous. Am or is or are means present. Present continuous. It will be changed to past continuous. Past continuous. was looking. So the sentence will be like this. I am looking forward to the trip, he said. He said he was looking forward to the trip as it. Okay? Next. I cycled around Africa, he said. I cycled around Africa, he said. He said he had cycled around Africa. Search for the subject here. I. It will be he. Very good. Where is the verb? Cycled. What tense? Excellent. Past simple. Past simple. It will be past perfect. Past simple. It will be past perfect. So past perfect begin with had plus past participle. Cycled. It will be cycled also because this verb is regular. So I cycled around Africa. It will be he said he had cycled around Africa. Next, I've had lessons in French, Spanish, and Arabic, he said. I've had lessons in French, Spanish, and Arabic, he said. Where is the subject? I. It will be he. What is the verb? Have, had. Have, had. What tense? Present perfect. Present perfect. It will be past perfect. Past perfect. So the sentence, he said he had lessons in French, Spanish, and Arabic. Someone from you will say we have had to had. Okay, this is correct. First had, auxiliary verb. First had, the auxiliary verb, because the tense here is past perfect. Past perfect, the form of it, had plus past participle of the verb. What is had here? What is the past participle? Had, from have. Okay? Had. And the have, it will be changed to had. Last sentence. The trip will take about 2 years. Here we have modal verb will. The trip will take about 2 years, he said. He said the trip would take about 2 years. Again, the trip will take about 2 years. What is the subject here? The trip. It will be also the trip. You can keep the nouns, also nouns. Okay? You don't change the noun. If you have Ahmad, it will be Ahmad. If you have Mona, it will be Mona. If you have the book, it will be the book. But the subject, when it is pronoun, in this case, you will change the subject as you understand from the sentence. The trip. It will be also the trip. What is the verb here? Will take. Will take. Modal verb plus infinitive. Excellent. So the modal verb here will. It will change it to the past. It will be would. Excellent. Would. And take. Keep it. Take. Okay? So, as I told you many times, any modal verbs followed by infinitive. So here, modal verb in present followed by infinitive. Here, modal verb in past. It will followed by also infinitive. Okay, understand? Now go to the exercise. Read and circle. Read and circle. He made first one as usual. I love sailing, said Jack. Jack said he loved sailing. Very good, loved. Number 2. I went to the cinema yesterday, said Louise. I went to the cinema yesterday, said Louise. Louise said she went or had gone to the cinema the day before. What is the verb here? Went. What tense? Past simple. It will be changed to past perfect. So it will be had gone. So make circle around had gone. Okay? 3. I've done a Spanish course. I've done a Spanish course, said Ben to his teacher. I've done a Spanish course, said Ben to his teacher. Ben told his teacher he did or he had done a Spanish course. Look here, what is the verb? I've done. I, the subject. Have done. Have done. What tense? Excellent. Present perfect. It will be changed to past perfect. So had done. Excellent. Make circle around had done. 4. I'll phone you tomorrow. I'll phone you tomorrow, said Liz to Jessica. I'll phone you tomorrow, said Liz to Jessica. Liz told Jessica she will or would phone her the next day. Liz told Jessica she will or would phone her the next day. What is the subject here? I. It will be she. What is the verb? Will phone. Will phone. It will be would phone. Like this. Would phone. So make circle around would. Okay? I wish you understood the reported speech. This exercise will be speaking. You can speak with your self or with your sister or mother. Okay, now you can go to your workbook, okay, to practice what we have studied today. Workbook page 86. Grammar 1. 86 about reported speech. Okay, and now I wish you understood our lesson today and enjoy it. Yeah, goodbye now. Goodbye, my dear friends.